Now then people, I hope you're feeling in a salady kind of mood. I certainly am, because today's video is all about salads.
Oh yes, it's going to be a healthy one and a delicious one and a good one, and we can't wait to show it to you.
We're going to be showing you lavishings of deliciousness, salady goodness, super healthy, everything plant-based. Now let's get into the recipes.
And the first one of these fantastic videos is a jerk jackfruit salad with a wonderful mango salsa. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, what a treat. So we've got all of those delicious Caribbean jerk spices, but instead of using chicken, we're gonna use jackfruit, which is very much on trend right now.
Yeah, it's such a great thing. I mean, would you call it a vegetable? Would you call it a fruit? Probably a fruit.
It's definitely a plant. It's super healthy, very fibrous, so it mimics chicken perfectly, and those jerk flavors are incredible.
And it's such a great technique to sort of make that jackfruit taste amazing just by buying a store-bought powder and putting it on top.
Now, to complement that lovely jackfruit, we're gonna make a kind of blippy salad right here. You know, we've got our mango, we've got some cucumber, some peppers, some avocado. Of course, you've got to hit that with that citrus note as well, and some fresh coriander. And you can just imagine the kind of nice acidity, that kind of tang of that salad. It's going to go perfectly with our fiery jackfruit.
So good as well, because right now we stand in the month of February. It's cold, it's really cold, but this is going to inject a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of summer. It's going to be so delicious.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling like a little bit summery.
Yeah.
The sun's been out the last few days. I'm feeling in a salady kind of mood.
Well, exactly, because a little salad like this is so good because you've got that protein, you've got that fat, you've got the really good stuff, and it's like, it just fills you up nicely, especially when you couple it with some brown rice like we are now.
Absolutely, and that jackfruit has been roasted to perfection. We know that's going to be good. This salad is gorgeous. You may have noticed we added a little bit of sneaky sauce to that jackfruit just to add a bit more flavour halfway through the roast. That's an optional step, but what is not optional is making a plate that looks this incredible.
I know, it's such a great plate of food, that. A little bit of coriander, a little bit of lime juice to sort of tie all the flavours together and to give a nice zip, like Henry said. Wowza, that is jerk jackfruit salad with mango salsa, and I'm salivating.
Next up, we're feeling particularly nice because we're going to give you a niçoise salad.
Oh yeah, now obviously niçoise salad, ordinarily you'd use your tuna, but you're in Bosh TV right now, so obviously we don't use tuna.
Everything we do is plant-based, so we're going to make our tuna out of chickpeas. And by the way, guys, if you're, of the veggie vegan persuasion, please do follow us, because we make delicious plant-based recipes like this every single day.
Yes, and if you've ever been asked if you're already vegan, where do you get your protein from, this is a really good answer, because look at all those chickpeas. That is just a big bowl of fantastic protein.
And those squished up chickpeas are going to form our tuna, and you'd be surprised at how tunery they taste, particularly when you hit them with the flavours we've just added to that bowl.
Look what we've done there. We've got some hummus in there, which is such a good technique because you've got that creaminess, you've got even more protein. It's chickpea on chickpea, so it works marvellously well. This is an absolutely marvellous bowl of fantastic food.
And that hummus is going to be a replacement for mayo in a traditional tuna mayo salad. This is going to be so much healthier. Plus, I love the taste of hummus.
And if you wanted to give it a little bit more silkiness, you could easily do that with a touch of olive oil.
Oh, nice touch.
Nice, nice, nice. And look, we're making a little dressing here. Now, a good salad relies wholly on the dressing. So this, if you don't have one already, make a note of this one because it's very, very good.
Yeah, really mustardy, kind of acidic, and also just fresh and velvety on the tongue. A wonderful dressing.
And look, we've got a little gem lettuce that we've chopped up, taken the white bits off, tomatoes and basil and broad beans for protein, and Kalamata olives, come on.
I mean, people talk a lot about eating the rainbow when it comes to plant-based food, and that is what we are doing here. There are so much in the way of plant colours in this dish. It's going to be really good for you.
Yeah, it's going to be super good for you. And if you're wondering where you're going to get that protein from, it's good. I think this is great as a dinner in the summer, but I think it's also great as lunch.
Absolutely. I mean, or you could even put some pasta through it if you're that way inclined.
That would be a really, really good idea. If you wanted to get something that was super, super filling, some nice whole wheat pasta would go a long way.
Nice bit of food styling there. Yes. Do you know, when I was a kid, I used to eat tuna mayo all the time.
I don't blame you. It's really good. Do you know what? You should pop this in a sandwich.
Oh man.
Just have it as a sandwich. Yeah. Come on. Nice.
Proper flexible. Guys, we hope you loved that recipe. You can find that on the Bosh.tv website. And also do subscribe if you haven't already, because we make videos like this all the time.
Panini.
A panini.
A panini. A chickpea tuna panini. That would be really cool too. So just play around with it. And if you do play around with it, tag us in the photos that you take on Instagram.
and let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. What would you eat this fake tuna salad with?
Yeah, come on. I think it's all about panini. But anyway, that was that dish.
I'm going pasta.
You're going to go pasta?
I'm going pasta, yeah, all the way.
Man.
Next up is our Southwest Bosh Bowl. This was inspired by kind of, you know, Tex-Mex flavors, the kind of Southwest of America and also the north of Mexico, trying to get basically a burrito salad.
Look, and we wanted this dish to be really protein heavy. And we've got a complete protein there because you've got your rice and you've got your beans. And look at all those fantastic fresh flavors. Those sweet corns, which you can add like little golden pops.
I'm such a fan of red onion in a salad. People think it's too much, and you know, often it is, but if you add that acidity, if you add a touch of lime or lemon, it's gonna temper down the onioniness, and that's what we're gonna do in this dressing. But honestly, there's so much good flavor going in there. I think you're gonna love this dish.
Yeah, because this is a Southwest salad and it's like taking inspiration from the West Coast and the South of America, like Texas. American people seem to have a fantastic relationship with dressing, so we wanted to make a really good one, which is exactly what we've got here.
Proper creamy. You can see we use the plant-based milk there alongside all of those flavors, but that's just gonna make us something that we can pour all over this delicious salad.
And this is another one that you can easily pop in a lunchbox and take to work the next day. Yeah, oh my God, that looks so good. And also, I think if you had like a piece of grilled tofu or something like to go with it, would be amazing.
Yeah. Now that hot sauce is obviously optional, but I would be going for definitely hot sauce on that.
Now, out of all of the 5 videos, this next one is my favorite. It's a Caesar salad and we're using king oyster mushrooms to make a chicken, and the croutons are incredible. Just feast your eyes on this.
I think this is one of the best salads we've ever made.
I agree.
Probably top 3.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. We're using the Derek Sarno inspired technique with these king oyster mushrooms, where you actually kind of pick them apart with your hands and turn them into like shreds of chicken.
So satisfying, so meaty, take on flavour fantastically, and look at them, so much of it in there.
Yeah, but if you can't find those mushrooms, don't worry, please do use whatever mushrooms you can. You can pull them apart with your hands or even just cut them if you need to.
Chicken seasoning. Now, chicken seasoning obviously has the word chicken in, but don't worry, it's not meaty. It's just a selection of herbs and spices that you would use to flavour chicken, and we're using it to flavour mushrooms. It's just a great technique.
It's like a mind trick.
Yeah.
You know, those are the herbs and spices you would use with chicken. I'm using it with mushrooms to make you think of chicken.
And rather than using loads of oil to fry these mushrooms, we're just spreading them out on a baking tray, popping them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, and the texture, oh yes.
Honestly, you're in for such a treat. Such a treat with this Caesar salad.
Yeah, and look, if you've got any leftover bread, they're perfect for making breadcrumbs or indeed croutons. And if you've got stale bread, it means you get those nice crispy croutons, which are great for texture.
And look how big these croutons are, right? We're going for kind of 1-inch style cubes here. You can go for smaller if you prefer. It's a personal choice, but I like my croutons chunky.
Chunky. And I like my dressing for this kind of salad to be nice and thick and creamy and cheesy, and that's what we're making. Oh.
Yes, that's right. We've got some nooch gone in there. That's going to add that wonderful cheesiness, that kind of umami flavour, and that dressing is going to be absolutely perfect.
Honestly, like if you're making this, I would strongly recommend you just make double, because you're going to want to have double because it's that tasty.
I think all the power of this dish actually comes in that dressing.
Yeah, I agree.
The Caesar dressing that we've made here, which is obviously plant-based. It's not traditionally plant-based. This is, this is the only one you need to make from this video. Yeah, you know, if you don't make any other one from this video, make this recipe.
Yeah, you can have it now, like we're doing, as a main, or you can have it again as a really fantastic side for something else. But I can't sing the praises of this video enough.
Ah, so good. And make sure you get loads of that dressing.
That's one of the 80 recipes from our 4th book, Healthy Vegan. So if you like that sort of food, go and check that book out. It's only like £8 on Amazon.
Yes, and it's all about eating delicious plant-based food, but that's healthy for you. So like whether you're trying to lose weight or bulk up for the gym or just get the right nutrition, the Healthy Vegan Cookbook is the book for you.
Oh, right, so we enjoyed the Caesar salad, but we're gonna love this one too.
This is a cheeseburger salad. It's absolute madness. Look at it. We have literally deconstructed a cheeseburger and turned it into a salad.
Yeah, like all the hipsters in Shoreditch do that sort of thing, don't they? There's like deconstructed latte or deconstructed spaghetti bolognese when you've got all the individual elements just cooked individually.
Ronald McDonald is turning in his grave, if he wasn't already, from all the horrendous things he's done to humanity and the animal planet. But basically, this is our answer to the Big Mac.
And look what we're doing, we're making croutons again, but this time round we're making it with burger buns.
Yes, it's absolutely delicious. Burger sauce happens to be one of my favourite sauces, whether you're dipping chips in it or putting it on your burger or whatever. We're gonna make our burger sauce. We're gonna basically make our burgery croutons. And we're gonna make a delicious burgery salad.
Oh, a nice burgery salad. Do you know what? If I was running a burger bar, I'd probably put this on the menu.
Why would you not have a burger salad?
Yeah, why not?
For people who don't want a burger, but they want all of that wonderful flavour.
Yeah, maybe we should give one of the guys who run a vegan burger joint a call and say, listen, we've had a great idea. Yeah. Take it.
Yeah, run with it.
Yeah, you've got tomatoes in there, you've got gherkins in there, you've got the bread as the croutons, you've got these fantastic vegan burgers that have been chunked into pieces. Come on, great idea.
I mean, they can use it to use up all their old burgers that they haven't sold.
It makes total sense. And then a bit of vegan cheese, why not?
Oh, goodness. Yes, that's right. So we are going to roast all that off so that it's nice and hot and smoky. We've got those croutons, we've got those burger bits and the cheese. You've got the salad and most importantly, the gherkins and that all-important burger sauce-inspired dressing.
Nice little dressing. And we're serving it with a glass of cold Coca-Cola or Coke because, you know, why not?
Do you know, I'm not into Coca-Cola anymore.
I like Coca-Cola with a burger.
I used to back in the day, but I can't remember the last time I had one.
Oh, I haven't. As you know, I come them quite regularly.
Yeah, I know.
It's bad for my teeth. My mother will not be pleased, but you know what? It's good for my soul because it goes so well with burgers and chips.
Well, that's what matters.
Yeah.
Now, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, this recipe. Do let us know down in the comments which was your favourite. Are you going to make any of them? We hope you are.
Yeah, and if you like making salads and you've got some really cool recipes that you've made up yourself, drop them in the comments below and you never know, we might pick one up and make a video out of it.
Yes, do subscribe to our channel. We make videos like this basically every day. We're in this kitchen cooking all the time, so we'd love to have you here with us and we will see you on the next video.
Take care, guys.
Peace.